I ordered some real woodpecker feet and legs. I got this from Woodworker Supply. You get that. I think they're made out of cast pewter. You know, a little bit, the metal's a little bit flexible. Paid $25 for this by the time I paid for the shipping. I think it's like $15 and $10 shipping. So I don't want to be doing that all the time. So I'm making a mold of it. Well, I had problems getting this mold to fill completely. I kept getting stuff that looks like this. It almost works. The back claws or feet, the ones that I had the most problem with. So I remade my mold. Now it looks something like this. It's got the long part coming up this way, kind of like that. So it's in there like that. I'll try that, see if it doesn't feel better. Feel better. I haven't even opened this one yet, so I thought I'd show you. I like to use this screwdriver and pry things apart. Like that. Now comes the hard part. You got to pull it out of there. There it comes. Just steady pressure. Where the end of that hole. See if we can't put some wire in here. Oh, there it comes. Yeah, it feels kind of hollow right there. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay. Now, I was thinking about cutting some vents at the end of these toes. I did it to both sides. I'm at my outdoor stove here. I use this for powder coating. I also cook off it, or cook metal off it. Well, it did get in there pretty good, I think. I'm gonna let it cool before I try to pull it out. And it didn't get that one completely. Let's check it out. It looks like it came out all right. I got a lot of cleanup to do, but I think everything's there. All the toes. I think that's gonna clean up nicely. It came out pretty decent cast too, as far as the toes and the legs. I'm pleased with that one. Well, I'm working on cleaning up these castings, so I thought I'd show you how I'm doing it. Basically, I got wire clippers, I got an old knife because you can kind of carve that pewter. It's a little bit soft, so this comes in handy. Then I just got a nice half round file. And I'm also using the Dremel with the little sanding drum on there. I just start by clipping off all the excess. Gonna work for my purposes. I think next I'll try to cast these out of zinc. See if the mold will hold up. Well, I got these all powder coated. It came out real nice. Excuse me. These are cast out of zinc. The thing about the zinc, it's not flexible like the pewter. I got a couple. This one's cast out of pewter. You could bend it a little bit, but it kind of cracks the powder coat finish. So you don't want to bend it too much, or you'd have to repaint it. But I'm pretty excited about that. Well, I wasn't sure if these pewter ones would melt in the oven at 400. They didn't, so it came out real nice. Well, I got some more that I need to get ready to powder coat, so I thought I'd show you a little bit how I'm doing it. Just got some wire here. When you're doing the powder coating, you need to have a good electrical connection. It's a ground actually, but you need that because it attracts the powder coat. So you need a nice electrical connection on there. So I'm just twisting some wire on here. Like so. About like that. And then I'll attach it to my oven axe. Okay, I'm all ready for the powder coating. See, I got my ground wire hooked up to this first one. I'll just keep hooking that ground wire up to each one I'm spraying. And also got a little foot pedal down here. You might hear it click. You can kind of hear it click. Well, here's the results of my powder coating. I got 3 pairs. Came out pretty nice. I'm pleased with it. Check this out. I retrofitted this whirligig. I gave him the new legs, new feet. And check it out, I got this other woodpecker whirligig retrofitted with the new feet. Tell you what, that's a big improvement. Okay, friends, that's all we got for today. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you down the trail. Bye now.